Hey, fuckface. Hey, I am Nicolas Cage, and I want to ask you a question. You want to have fun? Of course you do, fatty. Then watch the Nationalday stream from the Burning Cow Bar, Barbecue and Studio. It will be streamed to Facebook, YouTube, and even Twitch, so you don't have any excuses not to watch. It will sing the best songs from the past 8 streams, and that will be goddamn awesome, and you know it. The Twitch streamer Dr. Reaper will be brewing some tasty beer during the stream, and everyone knows that beer is good for you, and if you disagree, shut the hell up. And what do you say if I told you that there will be a music quiz with 12 of the best goddamn questions you have ever heard? Yeah, I said 12, not 8 or 10, 12. The karaoke wheel of doom will spin as always, and you never know what will happen. Then it stops. You might think you do, but you don't. A good guess would be that that guy Pervo will enter the stage again. I met him when I got this gig from the guys in that awesome band In Me Head. Follow them, by the way. Anyway, that dude really smelled like rotten fish and mushrooms, and let me tell you, that smell will haunt me forever and ever. You have the money, right?
Of course.
What is that? What is that?
I know what to do, Mr. Cage.
As always, drinks will be mixed in the bar, and since they moved the whole stream to the bar last episode, I'm betting there will be more than one cocktail consumed this evening. So do not be a lazy fatty and tune in the stream on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook June 6th at 8 o'clock, or I will kill and eat this furry little kitten, and you do not want that, do you, little kitten? No, you don't. It would be the lazy people watching Daddy Cage fault. That's right, I am talking to you. So I see you June 6th, or the kitten becomes kebab. Links will be below. This is Nicolas Cage signing out. Bye-bye.